Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to today's video. It snowed last night, so you know what that means?
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Well, I can't really tell you whether or not you have enough money for chicken nuggets, but I can tell you that this is a perfect opportunity to take some pictures. So let's go out there and take some pictures. It is cold out there, just 12 degrees, so actually it's 11. So let's see what we can find. So as you can see, it didn't actually snow a lot, but every little bit of snow counts when you're taking pictures. So the first thing you want to look for when you're taking pictures in the snow is not letting your camera battery die, which is kind of happening with me right now, and I don't have an extra one, so we're going to have to make this fast. Something I always do with pictures, and you guys know this, is looking for small details. And so that's something you can do when there's a little bit of snow, because everything isn't so overladen with snow that all the small things are hidden. So look for leaves, grass, petals of dead plants, and that kind of thing. So I actually see a couple things over there we're going to take some pictures of, so let's go do it. Alright, so the first thing we're actually going to take a picture of is lawn ornaments. Now I know that sounds really weird, and these are actually really small ones, more like pot ornaments for like decorative things, but they also can gather little bits of snow and look really cool. So show you what I mean, then I'll take a quick picture and I'll be right back. This is the kind of thing we're talking about here, these little guys. Come on, focus. There we go, these little guys. So I'm going to pause this, take a picture, I'll be right back. Also, when you're editing these pictures, you have to be careful because they're very delicate, and so you want to edit them in a way that preserves their delicacy. You could always also go into your garden if you have one and take pictures of the dying plants, like these guys here, but I'm probably not going to just for the sake of this video not being too long. Another thing you can look for, holy cow, it is cold, is some grass, because depending on the blade style and structure, you might be able to get some snow to balance on it. So, let's see, what do we have here? I'm not seeing anything right now, but sometimes you can get some of the snow to balance on the grass leaves, blades, in such a way that you can get a cool picture. Not always. It's not always a sure sign, but it's always worth checking. There's always also the more stereotypical, if you will, photos, you know, like snow on a fence, what an original image, and that kind of thing as well. There's nothing wrong with those, but at the same time, holy cow, that metal's cold, looking for new things that not a lot of people have gathered and captured. So let's go around front. I think there might be something there for us to get. Let's go do it. It's not always easy to find pictures too, because sometimes there's just not that much to take pictures of, and that's okay. Like where I went to look for some photo ops, there was nothing, and that's fine. And that's something you need to realize with snow photography, especially in this weird in-between phase, where it's not like insane amounts of feet and feet of snow, but it's also not light enough that things are insanely delicately covered. So that's okay though. So I was going to try and get a couple more pictures, but with that being said, I think I'm actually going to wrap up today's video. Something you can do though, and I'm just walking into this plant here, is capture some of the more delicate things. So like this one here, just like snap that. It's going to be a JPEG because I'm taking it during the video. But just capturing some of these more delicate things during the with the snow, or just things that they may not have snow on them, but they just stand out. So red berries, pine, and that kind of thing as well. So that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great January. I'm going back to college in a day and a half, so that's fun. So I'll catch you guys around. Take it easy, fam. Peace.